Because now everyone is talking about AI, and in fact, government actually they plan billions of dollars in Singapore in grooming AI. So for me myself, I think that AI really helped me to accelerate all the very troublesome kind of videoings, presentations. They actually make it very, very easy for us to actually do our videoing. And this in fact shorten our time, and we can actually enhance our productivity in doing others' work more efficiently. So I really feel that AI is really a very good tools for us to learn and move ahead in the next 5 to 10 years. Definitely, I would say that some of the job will be much easier to do, and it will definitely replace some of the human works. But of course, if humans consistently learn how to use AI, I think that will be more beneficial to us when we want to close deal with customers.